Hi, this is Bill Wood with Disciplined Trading Decisions. It's time for the weekend update for the S&P 500. But first, trading futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Okay, we're starting off with the ES. That's the S&P 500. This is the futures chart, ES Emini. And starting out at 2000, we're looking at the chart in Elliott Wave fashion. So starting from 2000, I'm considering this an ABC correction down, and then we're starting a new 5-wave pattern up. So since the bottom in 2009, I'm looking for 5 waves. Well, this is the way that I have it counted now. I have a couple of different ways that I could count this, but I have 1 here, 2 here, and then 3. This is 3 here, and 3 is made up of 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make up third wave. Got an ABC correction here for 4. And now I'm looking for the 5th wave. Once the 5th wave is over, then hey, this bull market should be over, right? Right? Well, don't jump to any conclusions. So this is the way that I have this marked right now. If we zoom in a little bit here, starting here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're working on our 5th wave. Let me get rid of these. Working our 5th wave. So we have 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here. And 3 is made up of 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have an ABC correction here for 4. And now we're working on the 5th wave of the 5th wave. Once this wave is over, then it's possible that we could experience quite a large correction. Remains to be seen. So how do we count this? Well, number 1, wave 5, that's all wave 5 has to do is break the end of wave 3. That's all it has to do is break the end of wave 3. And this is the end of wave 3 here. We broke it. If we pull down now, maybe the 5th wave is over and we can all go home and start selling short. I don't recommend that. So I'm counting this as the 5th wave of the 5th wave. So the 5th wave is supposed to have 5 waves. So let's drop down to a smaller time frame. So how will we know when the 5th wave is over? So one thing that you can do is you can take a measurement from the beginning of the 5th wave. So from here to here, let's say that is 1. That is the 1st wave. So from here to here, oftentimes wave 5 will equal wave 1. So if you take that from here to here and you bring it to the bottom of 4, then that would come out to somewhere around 30-30. If you can see that here, around 30-30. Let's get in even closer. Okay, I'm going to give you 2 scenarios. One where the move may be just about over, and then another scenario where we may have much, much, much higher to go. Wave 5, here's wave 4, we're looking for wave 5. There's 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 should have 5 waves. So we have wave 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, you know, it did break the high here. Maybe that was the end of the move, but we've broken out above that, so that doesn't seem to make sense. So let's move this out of the way. Maybe this is wave 3 here, and maybe this is wave 4 here. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're looking for a 5th wave, and that does coincide with equal to wave 1. You know, come Monday, we may have made our high for the year, for several years. Well, that would be if this is wave 5 and this whole thing would be over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 5, and this bull market could be over. There's nothing else that would really have to happen for this not to work out with Elliott Wave. But let's look at this another way. What if this wasn't a 3, but the 3 was actually correct down here, the 4 was correct over here, and the 5 was correct over here? What if this was just a wave 1 of 5 waves? That's a different story. That would make this wave 2. Then we would be working on 3 way up somewhere up here, 4, and then 5 way up there. How high could it go? So let's just take a measurement from here, wave 1, and from the bottom of wave 1 to the top, and bring it down to the bottom of wave 2. Wave 3 could come all the way up to 161.8. 4 would be slightly below it. 5 could be here. For the bear case, we could end somewhere up here and correct. Another really wild scenario would be that we are in an expanding triangle, and this could be A, B. That's a wonderful looking B up there. I gotta make that better. That was almost worse. C, D, and E for wave 4, and then wave 5. Okay, recap and a warning. Let's say that this is our 5th wave, and we just said that this could be the end of the bull market right up here, maybe Monday. So let's say that the market tops out a little bit and then starts pulling back. Don't bet the farm. Don't bet the farm, and here's why. If this is a 1 and this is a 2, then you're expecting wave 3. Wave 3 is usually the longest. Wave 3 is made up of how many waves? 5 waves. So if we get a pullback here, that could just be wave 2 of wave 3. So if we do get a pullback next week, don't bet the farm. Don't bet anything from my analysis. You have to do your own analysis. Okay, just a quick recap. I believe that we're in the 5th wave of this major bull market. Where it will end, if it's right up here around 30, 25, 30, 40, somewhere in between there, I'm not sure. Now, you have to notice this, that, okay, I said that this was a measurement from 1, measured 1, and brought it to 4, and that was the equal amount. But is this actually the end of 1? Kind of think that this is the end of 1, which means we've already passed through that, and this is more likely a 1 and a 2, and we're taking off from there. And that's how I had that in the other chart. Had this as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which makes 3. ABC for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're in our 5th wave. Okay, one last time just to show this in another angle. I believe that this is wave 4, and we're in our 5th wave. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a monthly chart. Here's 4. Now, is this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? And we're going up, to 3,800, maybe 4,400, or is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're just about over in this bull market. There are other ways to look at it, but those are the 2 ways that I'm looking at it right now. So that's all I have for today. This is Bill Wood, and if you're watching this anywhere other than my blog at disciplinedtradingdecisions.com, please go there now. There's a link below, and check out our other resources. And while you're there, sign up for our weekly newsletter. And this is a reminder to trade according to your trade plan. Don't do what I do. You have to believe in your analysis of the market in order to stay disciplined and true to your plan. Hey, I really appreciate your likes, your comments, and your shares. It all helps to get the word out. And remember, stay motivated, stay focused, and stay disciplined, my friend.